guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change brakes on your car. It's a very easy process, just follow my steps and you can save tons of money. The process of changing of brakes is pretty much similar on every car. First you need to remove the brake caliper. There are two 14mm bolts. Now let's remove caliper. My next step is taking out the brake pads. Now we're gonna remove this part so we get access to the rotor. Put caliper aside. Before installing new rotor, we need to clean it from any grease. And I'll use a special parts cleaner. Now we need to remove old hardware. I'm using sandpaper to remove the rust. Make sure that guide pins are moving freely and there is enough lube inside. I'm gonna add some high temperature grease. Now time to install new hardware. I put some grease inside so it's easier to remove next time. And now it's time to put our brand new shiny rotor. I'm going to use special tool to depress the caliper. Let's install the new pads. I put some grease on the pads so they don't squeak, and let's reinstall the caliper. are done. It was so easy and I'm sure you can do it yourself. Thank you for watching.